Hello guys, myself Navin Reddy. So today we'll talk about something called as binary. Now our main intention will be to addition of the binary numbers and what exactly binary means. Now when we talk about binary, binary simply means a number with base 2. Okay, so it starts with 0, its end at 1. Every number in binary is called as bit. So 0 is a bit, 1 is a bit, and bit stands for binary digit. Now question arises, why computer only works with binary language? Why not decimal, why not octal, why not hexadecimal? We only work with binary. Question is why? It's because computer is an electronic device, and which means it only works with electrical current. So current can be on, it can be off. So power goes on 1, power goes off 0. So to represent data in computer, it could represent there is data which is 1, there is no data which is 0, right? And that's why we have something called as bit. So 1 or 0. Now question arises, as humans we always use decimal, we use octal, we use characters, we use strings, we use images, and computer uses binary language. That means there should be some conversion between decimal and binary, and yes, we have some conversions. Conversion says, like if you can see this. Before going with this, just focus on the top. Whenever we talk about binary language, it always goes with power of 2. Power of 2 means, so power of 1 is 2, power of 2 is 4, power of 3 is 8, power of 4, power of 4 is 16. You know, you can find this thing when you buy, if you want to go for a pen drive. So pen drive can be of 1 GB, pen drive can be of 2 GB, pen drive can be of 4 GB, pen drive can be of 8 GB. You will not find a pen drive of 6 GB, right? Because memory of a computer always goes in the power of 2. So it can be 2, it can be 4, it can be 8, it can be 16, it can be 32, it can be 64. In fact, when you want to go for some hard drive also, we always talk about terabytes. We talk about megabytes. So all these are types of your binary format. Because bit is 1 bit. So if you have collection of 8 bits, it goes with 1 byte. If you have 1024, if you have 1024 bytes, which becomes 1 KB. KB means kilobyte. If you have 1024 kilobyte, it goes for 1 MB, which is megabyte. Okay, so as list goes on, megabyte to gigabyte, gigabyte to terabyte, you have this whole bunch, which is your TB. Now, if you can see, we have this latest hard drive of 4 terabyte. It means you have 4 into 1024 gigabyte, which means you have 4 into 1024 into 1024 megabyte. It means you have 4 into 1024 into 1024 into 1024 kilobytes. This goes on, right? So, if we talk about binary, it's 0 and 1. Now if you want to convert a number, let it be your number is 25. Now if you talk about this 25 base is 10. You have to convert this number which is 25 into binary format. Steps are very simple. You have to divide this number by 2. The concept says, if you want to convert any number from decimal to that number system, let it be binary, let it be octal. So if you want to convert from decimal to binary, you have to divide by 2. If you want to convert decimal to octal, you have to divide by 8. So concept says the numbers depend upon number system, you have to divide by that number system. So binary divided by 2. So you can see here 25 divided by 2, it goes with 12 with 1 carry, 2 6 are 12, 0 carry, 2 3s are 6, 0 carry, 2 1s are 2, 1 carry, because it's not carry, it's a remainder. You can say remainder. So 2 1s are 2 with 1 carry, 2 zeros are 0 with 1 remainder. So this is your number 1 0 0 1 1. Now the amazing thing in this is you have to go upwards, not downwards. You have to go upwards. So answer is 1 1 0 0 1, and this is your 25. Now question arises, how can you be so sure this is 25? Now we can do this reverse calculation. To go for reverse calculation, your number is 1 1 0 0 1. Simple thing is, you have to go of power of 2. Power of 2 means, this is 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 4. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Ignore zeros. Concentrate on ones. So 2 raised to 0 is 1. 2 raised to 3 is 8. 2 raised to 4 is 16. You can see that. Plus. Now 16 plus 8, you will get 24. 24 plus 1, you will get 25. And yes, we are getting the same answer. Right? Now question arises, see, we don't only work with decimal numbers, we work with characters. Now to work with characters, let's suppose you have a character called as A. Now A is a character. If you want to store A in your computer, because computer works with binary part, right? So you have to convert A into binary. We don't have a direct concept where we can convert A into binary. That's why we have this amazing code language like ASCII values. Now using ASCII value, you can convert, or every character has a unique value, and that value is called as ASCII value. So A will be having its own ASCII value. Let it be, it is 65 exactly. It's 65. Small a is 97, and we have lots of ASCII value. So A is 65, capital B is 66, small b is 98. So this goes on. So to store A, you have to store 65. So if you can store 65, you can store A. Now again, how to get the binary part of 65? You have to go with this concept. You will get a value which is 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay, so this is the binary condition of 65. Again, you can do the calculation, you will get the same answer. Okay, if you store 97, again do this calculation, you will get some answer. Okay, so it means to store 65 we have this, to store 97 we will be having, to store small a we have 97. Now the main concept comes here is addition of two numbers, or addition of two binary numbers. Now if you want to go for some interview, or if you want to go for some CET exam where you have this binary conversion, so you have to focus on addition part also. You have addition, you have subtraction. In this video we will talk about only addition. Okay, so let's go for it. So if you want to go for addition, it's very simple exactly. So you have 0 plus 0, it will be 0. Very simple. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. And 1 plus 1 is 0. With carry 1. Now question arises, why 1 plus 1 is 0? You know, if you talk about computer world, we are living in a virtual actually, because humans live in real world. Computer works in virtual world, and the professionals who are working with computer, they are actually living in virtual world. So in real world, 1 plus 1 is 2. In virtual world, 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 1 is 1. You know, if you talk about those Boolean algebra, Boolean values, so 1 plus 1 there becomes 1. If you talk about string values in Java or programming languages, 1 plus 1 is 11. Because if you have two strings with one value, you will get 11. In binary, 1 plus 1 is 0. Question is why? Now, if to know this, why it is 0, concentrate on this topic now. You have something called a decimal numbers. Decimal number starts with 0, ends at 9 because its base is 10. So it will start with 0, ends at 9. So 0 plus 1 you will get 1. 1 plus 1 you will get 2. 2 plus 1 is you will get 3. 3 plus 1 you will get 4. And list goes on. Then at some point you will get 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 1 again goes with 0. Yeah, you say 9 plus 1 is 10 because it's 0. Since you have completed one circle, the whole circle, it says 1 carry. If you complete 2 circles, 2 carry. If you say 3 circles, 3 carry. Ultimate thing is 9 plus 1 is 0. Right? In the same way, if we talk about binary language, you have only two numbers. One is 0, second is 1. So if you say 0 plus 1, you will get 1. So plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 1, you will get 0. Since we are completing one circle, so we will go for 1 carry. And that's why we say it is 1 0. Right? So in short, you can say 1 plus 1 is 1 0. Or you can say 1 plus 1 is 0 with carry 1. It's depend upon you how you pronounce it. Okay, so let's go for some actual number. I hope you know this. Let's go for two values. That would be 5 and 6. I know simple values, you will say answer is 11, but we have to do this with the help of binary conversions. So let's suppose your 5, if you convert 5 into binary number, you will get 1, 0, 1. If you say 6, it's 1, 1, 0. Okay, to add these two numbers, you just have to apply those rules. So 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 0 with carry 1. Simple, right? Let's go for some complex number. That will be 15 plus 31. Again, not that difficult, right? So 15 is 1, 1, 1, 1. Again, you will get with this calculations. 31 is 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So let's add. 1 plus 1 is 0 with carry 1. Now we have 3 ones here. So 1 plus 1, these 2 ones goes with, if you talk about these 2 ones, you will get 0. 0 plus 1 is 1 with 1 carry. 1 plus 1 is 0 with 1 carry, and you have one more, 1, so 1. So 1 carry. Again 3 ones, 1 and 1 carry. Again 1 plus 1 is 0 with 1 carry. So this is your number. And this is, any guess? It's 46. So 46, and this is also 46. You want to check? It's very simple. 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. It's 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 4, and 2 raised to 5. What you have to check now, you have to ignore zeros. So you have 2 raised to 1, which is 2, 2 raised to 2 is 4, 2 raised to 3 is 8, then you have 32, 2 raised to 5 is 32, you can check it. So this plus this plus this. So ultimately you will get 46. You're getting the answer, 46. Right? It's not that difficult. Now you can add lots of numbers. You can have your big numbers. Concepts is same, right? And this is how you can do binary addition. Now for subtraction, division, multiplication, stay tuned. Thank you.